Hi, I'm Dana Campbell, chemistry faculty member for the Physical Science Department at Moraine Valley. The Moraine Valley Foundation is so very grateful for your support of our students and asked me to perform some safe, fun experiments for you to do at home with your family or grandkids. When people first learn I'm a chemist, they always ask, can we burn something and blow up something? So we're gonna do 2 experiments today. We're gonna burn steel wool, our first experiment. Remember, when doing any experiment, always practice safety for unexpected accidents. So I'm going to wear safety goggles, so when the steel wool burns, I can protect my eyes. And when I unravel the steel wool, I'm gonna wear this mask. So let's get started. First, let's try to burn some steel wool and see what happens. This is steel wool, 0 grade, and this is a 9-volt battery. Let's see what happens when you touch it. You see, it tries to burn. There's a little light. It's trying to burn. It's just difficult to burn because there's not enough oxygen to support combustion. So it's trying. It's just not very effective. So let's just let it go out, and then I'll show you what happens when you unravel it. All right, here's another piece. All that burns. You want to unravel this steel wool, but first, use a safety mask to protect you from the steel wool fragments. When I unravel this, it's going to generate some steel wool particles, so just be careful. So don't do this. Don't unravel the steel wool in your face because the particles could be an inhalation hazard. And don't let your 5-year-old do this either, because they'll be at the table at the table height and it'll be directly in their face. So make sure you protect your lungs when you unravel the steel wool. I have something that's already prepared. Here it is. And now I'm going to try to burn this again. Because the steel wool has been fluffed up, there's a lot of oxygen surrounding all the particles, all the steel wool fibers, and it should be able to burn more efficiently with this battery. I don't need the mask because I'm not unraveling anything. I just need the goggles to protect my vision. Let's see what happens. It's hot, so I'm standing back. It's warm. What a difference. Now, don't forget to use an aluminum pan to contain the fire. This temperature gets as hot as 700 degrees. So it's relatively safe, but with just a few safety precautions, we can make sure nothing happens. Okay, now for our second experiment. We're gonna do an explosion. Again, safety is always practiced for any chemistry experiment. You gotta wear goggles to protect your vision. Now, these experiments are relatively safe, but we still have to practice safety. So the goggles are for your vision, and some people are sensitive to the chemicals in this experiment. It's just calcium chloride and bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, but hydrochloric acid is a byproduct of the reaction. So if you have sensitive skin, you may feel some irritation. So I'm going to wear these gloves for those people that fall into that category. All right, now, this is a 1-gallon freezer bag with calcium chloride. That's this chemical here, just broth salt. And this is a 1-quart freezer bag with sodium bicarbonate. That's this chemical here. You can purchase that anywhere at the grocery store. And these are 8-ounce cups of cold water. I'm going to mix 8 ounces of water with sodium bicarbonate and see what happens. Seal the bag and just try to mix it as much as possible. It won't dissolve, but fill it, see what happens. It's going to feel cold because it's endothermic. It's absorbing heat from my hands, so my hands feel cold to this bag, okay? Now let's do the second bag. This is calcium chloride, 8 ounces of water in here. And seal this bag also, and mix it, see what happens. It feels warm. So this reaction is exothermic. It's releasing heat. So when heat's producing a reaction, it's called exothermic. But we still don't have an explosion. So now we're gonna mix the 2 bags together. But the way to do that is open the large bag and open the small bag. Sit the small bag inside the large bag. Leave the small bag open and seal the large bag. After you seal it, Make sure you check it twice. To the corner, and just try to grab both bags with your fingers and invert it so that you mix the two contents together. And whoa! There you go, the explosion. Thank you from the foundation. Have fun and be safe.